Hello friends, welcome to today's session. In the last session we have seen how to do speed subtraction. In the speed subtraction we have seen different ways by which you can make subtractions quickly with the help of Vedic mathematics. Today we'll start with multiplication, and in multiplication the first thing that you'll do is the multiplication table. Multiplication table as such is for the children it's difficult. They have to remember the multiplication tables, so it becomes a burden for them. So we'll try to see how, without even remembering, how we can calculate your multiplication tables. Remember the multiplication tables or produce the multiplication table easily with the help of our Vedic mathematics. And for that we'll first see the multiplication table of numbers from 12 to 19. The 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, something like that, which you will see that how we can do it. Now for doing that, there are certain things which you have to remember, and you have to follow certain things. That is important. So the first thing is that remember the multiplication table of 1 to 9. To remember the bigger tables, the multiplication table of 1 to 9, that you have to remember. Means 1 into 1, 1, 1 to the 2, 1 to the, like this, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, 2 4 the 8, up to 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 to the 18, 9 to the 27, up to 9, 9 nines are 81. You have to remember. That's the basic requirement so that you can get your other multiplication tables quite easily. So only up to that much you have to remember, then nothing else, no other thing is required to be remembered. You can produce that thing yourself. Right? So first let us see the multiplication table of 12, how we can do it. For doing that, the first thing that you need to do is that write 1 to 10 in the left column. Write 1 to 10 in the left column. I will write it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write 1 to 10 in the left column, and after that, what do you do it? Write successive. Now we want to find out the multiplication table of 12. So we have to write the successive multiple of 2 in the right column. Here you have written the number 1 to 10 in the left column, and here you will write the multiple of 12, successive multiple in the right column. The first multiple is 2, second multiple is 2 to the 4, then it is 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10, 6 to the 12, 7 to the 14, 8 to the 16, 9 to the 18, and 10 to the 20. And now you see that everything is easy. Now you will get your multiplication table of 12 quite easily from here. So the next thing, the first you have put your 1 to 10 number, and here we have put the multiple of 2, successive multiple of 2 in the right column. Now what is required to be done in the third step? Put these left column numbers at the tens place. Put these left column numbers at the tens place. So if you put it in the tens place, this is in the 1 place, this is the tens place, it becomes 1, 2. We have put this 1 at the tens place. We have put this 2 at the tens place, so it becomes 24. We have put this 3 at the tens place, it becomes 36. We have put this 4 at the tens place, it becomes 48. We have put this 5 at the 10th place, so 1 plus 5 it becomes 6. So it becomes 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 0, which is equal to 60. Similarly here 6 plus 1 and then 2, it is equal to 72. Like that, 7 plus 1 8, 84. 8 plus 1 9, 96. 9 plus 1 10, 108. 10 plus 2 12, 120, and that's how you get the entire table of 12. Entire table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 to the 24, 12 to the 36, 12 fours are 40, 12 fives are 60. It's quite simple. When you make 12 fives are how much? Just make this 5, add with this time, because 5s are means multiple, 5 times multiple 10, and here it is 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 0. You can very well remember this thing. You can produce this thing yourself without any difficulty at all. Now, since we have seen the multiplication table of 12, can we try it for multiplication table of 13? Let us see that. Let's see that here instead of 12, we'll take 13. Follow the same procedure. Here you write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Left column will simply write the numbers. Then here the multiple of successive multiple of 3. 3 to the 6, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 3 5 is a 15, 3 6 is a 18, 3 7 is a 21, 3 8 is a 24, 3 9 is a 27, 3 10 is a 30. Now put this number at the tens place. 13, 26, 39, 4 plus 1 5, 52, 4 plus 1 5, add, put it in the tens place. 52, 5 plus 1 6 5, 6 plus 1 7, 78, 7 plus 2 9, 91, 8 plus 2 10, 104, 9 plus 2 11, 117, 10 plus 3 13, 130. See, we have done 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65, 13 like this, all that. So here you put 1. If I ask you to tell me the in the table 6 13ja, to remember 6 13ja means there is 6 here and here there is 18. Just add mentally 6 plus 1 7, 78. 6 13ja, 6 at the left side and 6 multiple of 13. 6 multiple of 3. 3 6 are 18. 6 plus 1 7, 78. So you can just remember that the table itself. Well, the last we'll see, can we do find out the multiplication table of 14 from this? Yes, quickly we'll see to that. We'll put this number 1 to 10 as it is. Here we'll put 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, then 20, then 24, then 28, then 32, then 36, then 40. If you put this in the tens place, it becomes 14, it becomes 28, it becomes 42, it becomes 56, it becomes 70, it becomes 84, it becomes 98, it becomes 112, it becomes 126, and it becomes 140. So we have seen that 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 3 14s are 42, 4 14s are 56, 14 10s are 140, and so on. So you can see that in this way we can find out the table of 12, 13, 14 up to 19 number. Any number that you put here, you can find out the multiplication table of all these numbers quite easily. With that, we have come to the end of today's session. I hope you will be able to remember the multiplication table quickly, very easily up to 12 to 19. So the next time we'll see how can we probably remember or produce the multiplication table of 1 to 100. Number 1 to number 100, how can you do that? That we'll see in our next session. So with that, we are at the end of today's session. All the best. Take care. See you in the next session.